procession is over. The procession is over. About to leave to go home now. And this is my graduation or procession look as a professor. And of course my boots. So I'm gonna go to my car now and get home. It was a successful graduation. So leaving the graduation at my university, the procession, I'm about to get into my car and go home. So it was actually short, so I like that. It was very, very short. So I didn't have to stay forever there. So ciao, ciao, my loves. Hey, my loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to the university for graduation. I'm gonna take you all with me to the graduation, and you're gonna see some of the snippets of the graduation ceremony at my university. Of course, when I get to the university, I have to wear my hood and my gown. But this is what I look like going into the university. I have this Dunian book bag, this red Avanti Leather jacket, the African necklace that I got from Kenya, this wool and fox trim hat, and of course, can we take a moment and appreciate the look of this fall trim boots. So this is my look. So I'm gonna try the look with different hats, so you let me know which one you prefer. So this is the first look. And let me know what you look. So let me go ahead and showcase the hats then. listening for the showcasing of these looks. Comment down below and let me know what you think. Comment down below and let me know which one is your favorite hat or favorite look of the three. And comment down below and let me know what you think of the graduation. But anyway, that said, if you enjoyed this vlog, smash the like button and share with your friends. And if you have not already subscribed, please do hit the subscribe icon here or here, depending on where it may be on your screen. And please do turn on the notifications such that you'll be notified when next I upload another vlog. And please do follow me on my Instagram, on my social media, on Instagram at fashionistaprofessor, and on TikTok, our Professor C. So till next time I upload another vlog, you all continue to stay safe, you all continue to stay warm. Kisses from far away, kisses from far away, kisses from far away. Que